Hi, we are going to show how to set account logout policy in the group policy object. In order to set, you have to open the server manager. After opening the server manager, you have to select the tools. After selecting the tools, you have to do right click on or select the group policy management. After selecting the group policy management, we have to drop down the forest, that is forest www.group3.com. After doing the drop down list, we have to select the domain and drop down the domains and select the domain, that is www.group3.com. After you have dropped down the domain, that is www.group3.com, you have to do right click on the default domain policy and then click on edit. After selecting the edit, the new dialog box appears where you have to drop down the policy under the computer configuration. After dropping down, we have to select the Windows setting, or we can drop down the Windows setting. Under the Windows setting, we have to select the security policy. Under the security policy, our main job is to set the account logout policy, so we have to drop down the account policies. Under account policies, there are many options. From that, we have to select account logout policy, and after selecting the account logout policy, we have to do the necessary configurations here. The first one is account logout duration properties. This we have set to 30 minutes. Then click OK. After setting, then we have to set the account logout threshold. This we have to set for 2 times and then click apply. OK, and then after setting we have to close. Now for the output, when you try to join from client computer to domain by providing the wrong password more than the specified number set in the account logout policy, the account gets logged out. For example, we have set the account logout threshold to invalid logon attempts. When you try to join through the user Eden and provide the wrong password for the more than 2 times, the account gets logged out and the message will be displayed as shown on the screen.
Everyone, today in this tutorial we are going to learn about adding members in a child domain. To add a member in a child domain, you need to have a server OS installed in your system. For now, we have installed Server 2012 in our system, so let's get started. You can open the Server Manager console and then you can click on Tools tab and select the Active Directory users and computer. Now you can drop down the www.group3.com, that is the domain that I have created. So if you can just click on the domain that you have created and then select the user option. After selecting the user option, you can right click on the user option and click on New tab. After you have clicked on the New tab, you can select the user option. The new object user dialog box appears. In this, you can add the information about the new user that you want to add in the domain, like first name, last name, and then logon name. For this tutorial, we have added the name as Nobu. Then click on next. Then you can enter the password for that user. After you have confirmed the password, tick on Password Never Expires option. This option makes sure that the user do not have to change the password at next logon. Then you can click on OK and then next. After that, you can click on the Finish button. Finally, as displayed on the screen, the user logo will be added to the domain, that is www.group3.com. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe videos on our link Learning is Joy. Thank you.